How to connect PayPal to Wix. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log in to your Wix account, go to settings, and here you have to look for accept payments. And then under accept payments, you will see here different options. Now, if you want to link your PayPal to your Wix account, what you want to do is to go to connect, tap this connect button here. And once you tap this one, all you have to do is to read the following instructions. And then below here, you can now enter or add your information, email address. And then once done, what you want to do is to simply click connect. Now here you have to enter your PayPal email address. Also, you need to select your country. So once you're done typing or entering your email address in your country, what you want to do is to simply click next. And then after that, your PayPal will be linked to your Wix account. Okay, so this is my PayPal account. So I have to tap login, and if you go back, you will see here PayPal connected, and you can use this as your payment method. So if you want to disconnect this one again, then all you have to do is to go to this part and disconnect PayPal. And if you want to connect this one again, you just have to tap connect. So this is what it looks like, and it's so easy to disconnect and connect your PayPal to your Wix account. Again, just log into your Wix, go to settings, go to accept payments, and then connect your PayPal. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.